Hi, good morning everybody. This is Bhavani. I'm working as a associate professor in CSE department of BVC Engineering College. Today I'm going to explain the main important topic of data structure is graph. Okay. So a graph is a data structure that consists of mainly two components, vertices and as well as edges. Before going to this topic, first of all, have to know about what is the purpose of the graph and in which cases we have to apply in our real world applications. Okay, so in order to provide the communication, we need some network. So in that particular network, there are maybe minimum at least two persons, otherwise more than two persons are present. So these persons can be treated as, within that particular network, these persons can be treated as individual persons, treated as vertices. That those vertices are also known as nodes. To provide the communication between the one person to another person, otherwise one person to the remaining persons, we need edges. Otherwise we connect that one person to another person and one person to remaining persons. So to implement that type of network, we use graphs. That is the main purpose of the graphs. So in this, in our day-to-day life examples, there are so many social networks are there, okay, just like Facebook, etc., like that. So to provide the communication, we need networks. In that particular networks, the base concept is graph. So you must know the how we can represent a particular graph within that particular network. That's why it is the most important topic of data structure. Okay, so and the next one is just like say this. So basically a graph is a which consists of mainly two components. So the first one is vertices and the next one is edges. So first one is vertices and next one is edges. Okay, so here what is the what is meant by vertices? A finite set of vertices. So within that particular network, a finite set of different types of persons that can be treated as nodes. Okay, and next we can simply connect those persons by using edges. So here consider two persons. Let us say that person is U and the next person is V. So we can simply connect those two persons by using edge. So that pair can be treated as this is the source and as well as this is the source and as well as this is the destination. Okay.